product review sites aren't as great as they used to be, but it's a great chance to get some publicity for your business, get some feedback on your website or products, and also get a backlink, even if it's a no-follow backlink. Some of these will pass PageRank on. This is a website called bounceapp.com, and if you enter your web address, it's going to take a screenshot of the homepage or whatever URL that you put in there. So I'm doing moz.com. This is obviously not my site. And once you get here, you'll see a picture of the homepage, and you can add a title. You can put in your name, and what it allows you to do is to circle or put a square around certain parts of the homepage, and anybody can review it to give you feedback, meaning if they liked your headline or they thought you could improve one of the pictures or one of the calls to action. So for example, with the plus sign here, all you do is drag. You click up in the top left-hand corner and then drag around it, and it's going to open a little box where you can make a comment. So you could say like, great title. And then there's another site called Concept Feedback. This used to be better, but in terms of getting some visibility for your site, all you have to do is create a free account, and then you click on Get Feedback up at the top. And this is just like Bounce App. You submit your site. You not only get a backlink, but you get a chance for people to give you feedback about your site, which is ultimately going to help you improve and increase your click-through rate, which is going to improve your ranking in the search results. So you would click on My Concepts once you get to the account, and then click Post Your Own. This is sitejabber.com, and this is a review site for online businesses. So you would click Site Jabber for Business up in the top right-hand corner. And then you get to create a free business account, so you put your website name, phone, email, password, all that good stuff. Get started, and then people could review your business. Another backlink also. Rate It All. This is kind of like Concept Feedback, not as good as it used to be, but what you do is go down to the bottom and click Add Your Business, and then click Get Started Now. And then you just type whatever you want to promote in there. And then hit Continue. And you can do it for a website, anything really. You put in your web address here, and it's another chance for people to find you. Also a nice backlink. So we have Rate It All, Site Jabber, Concept Feedback, and bounceapp.com.